Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video. I'm pretty sure this is the March box, and unfortunately my box is a little worse for wear. It got the other side is a lot worse. It got beaten up pretty bad in the mail this time, so hopefully nothing is damaged. So yes, March 2020, Kawaii Fantasyland. Let's get right into the unboxing. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I did get a little spoiled because I did see some photos of people who were tagging me on Instagram when they got their Kawaii box, and I saw someone had Pupupurin headband, but I think it's the same thing. It's basically a headband but of a certain character. So mine is Cinnamon Roll, which I love. I love all the Sanrio characters, so I mean anything on brand is good with me. But I think these are going to replace like my little bunny headbands, which I got more to when I do my makeup or stuff like that. But these are so cute. Let me see, how do I open this? There you go. So this is the headband. Oh, the eyes are... Okay. I was like, where's the face? The face is on the plastic. So I thought this was part of it. That would have been so much cuter if the face was actually part of the headband. But either way, it's like still a cute headband. It's like a cute generic bunny headband. Even though I know Cinnamon Roll is actually a puppy. But so very cute. The only downside is it being white. It's definitely going to pick up a bit of foundation. But that's okay. So I think this is a squishy. Jellyfish squishy. Yeah, I'll open it up to show you guys. But yeah, here we go. It is basically... Oh, the face is actually pretty cute. Yeah. Jellyfish. I really love this. I wish it was just this without all this stuff, because I can imagine this getting caught on things very easily. But very, very cute. And... Oh, what the... Okay. This broke. I think this is pretty... Yeah, for sure. Because I think all of this was supposed to be in... It's like a bubble tea cup. Yeah, Japanese candy, which I don't know if you watched my previous month, whereas previous month we got candy that looked exactly like this, and this is kind of the toy version, but it looks like the lid cracked open, which is probably why the box was so damaged. But let's see if we can like salvage it. So this is the lid, and then I'm just gonna empty it out first. Cup. Oh no, okay, I don't know if I can save it because you can, I don't know if you can see. There's like cracks down the side of the cup here and here. And, oh, actually on the other side too. I'm pretty sure this is just a throwaway at this point. Like, I don't know if I'll be able to save it, because even if I put it together, it's just going to be really prone to breaking again. Let's see. Okay, 2 pieces. And then, I think, the lid. Yeah. I guess you could, yeah. Alright, you could glue it together, and it still is pretty cute. But I just, like, just in my experience, the fact that this already has, like, 3 cracks in it, it's just not going to last. You can hang it from your bag, but any sort of force will just shatter it again. So, yeah, I think I might just chuck this one out. But such a pity because it's so cute. And then we have some Disney candy, grape flavored Disney candy. I always love the candy because it's like so practical. Definitely will get eaten. I love candy. And then we have a notebook, Unicorn Kitty. Oh, cool. And there's like different colors for the pages. That is very cute. And then we've got a oh, are you kidding? I know this is just like a generic pen, but if you guys followed Cardcaptor Sakura, this is almost like the scepter she uses. I think it's definitely not exactly like it, but it's very in that vein. So I know this is like generic gel pen, which I usually don't test these, and I'm not going to test these, but I'm actually super excited for this one because I've been going through all my like novelty pens, because you collect a lot after a few years of doing these unboxings, and I'm trying to figure out which ones to just get rid of and which ones to keep, but this is definitely staying with me because Cardcaptor Sakura is one of my most favorite series ever. Any merchandise I can get around it, I am definitely forever keeping. Then we have pencil case, Shiba. It's a flat pencil case. Oh, I just took the thing off. Yeah, generic. Just a cute pencil case featuring some really cute Shiba Inu. So cute. And then the last one is stickers, which are a little bent, unfortunately. Can you guys see, like, the box is, like, very bent up from here? I don't know. I wish there was a way that, that would stop doing that. Okay, this is, like, a bunch of different... Oh, you got 4 sticker sheets. That's why I'm like... It looks like just lots of sticker sheets laid on top of each other. And it literally is. It's a bunch of different sticker sheets. So let's open it up so we can have a better look. But it looks like these are made of washi paper. Yeah, it feels like washi paper, and they look like inspired from an anime series. I'm not sure. Let me put them on here so they're a lot easier to see. Okay, yeah, it's not from a specific anime series according to the little pamphlet. It's more like generic magical girl, which I assume, because you don't have to worry about licensing, is a lot cheaper than getting like the actual characters. But I'm okay with that too. But yeah, they're very beautiful pastel-like colors. And like this, I don't know if you can see, if it's going to show up clearly, but this is basically a total like Sakura. This is a total Cardcaptor Sakura inspiration photo. Like, I can just see the hair color, the haircut, the scepter, the wings, the dress, everything. So I think if you're really into your anime series, you can definitely see where some of these are pulling inspiration from. This kind of reminds me of Sailor Mercury. And I can't remember the character for this one, but that reminds me of one as well. Yeah, they're all kind of like pulling from different series, but not really. So yeah. Well, that is everything in this month's Kawaii Box unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.